Welcome to this DelveStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to fix the Slack 502 service error. This error usually happens when Slack servers are temporarily unavailable or when your connection to Slack is interrupted. It can also happen because of network cache, VPN, or proxy issues. First, restart Slack completely. If you are using the desktop app, close it fully and reopen it. Also, check your internet connection by opening a browser, searching for speed test, and clicking Run Speed Test. If your internet is weak or unstable, Slack may fail to connect properly and show the 502 error. After that, clear your Slack cache or browser cache. If you are using Slack in Chrome, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete, then select Cached Images, Files, Cookies, and other site data. Click Delete Data, then restart your browser. Now disable any VPN or proxy because they can interfere with Slack's connection and trigger service-related errors. Turn them off temporarily, then try opening Slack again. Also, make sure Slack is updated to the latest version because outdated app files can create connection or loading issues. If the error still continues, try using Slack on another network or switch between the browser and desktop app. Finally, check the official Slack status page by going to slackstatus.com. Sometimes the 502 service error happens because Slack servers are temporarily down or experiencing outages. In that case, the issue is usually resolved automatically after some time. That's it. We just learned how to fix the Slack 502 service error. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelveStack tutorial video.